We've got a property question to address for today's edition of The Law and You, featuring attorneys Greg Felleman and Ed Saramboli. Gentlemen, thanks for being here.
Dave, thanks for having us.
All right, here is the question. As always, it's a pleasure to have you guys on the show, and we wait for your answer. My mom passed away in 2009. Recently, I found out that I own half a property and that she and my stepfather own in Texas. He is now telling me that I owe half of the cost of the property. Since the death of my mom, I want to maintain half of the property. What are my rights legally if I wish to keep it or give it up? What happens here?
Well, let me talk first about keeping it. I'm sorry, about giving it up. You don't have to take it. Any inheritance, you can disclaim it. So anytime somebody, in a will, if they want to give you something as a piece of property that's going to require you to spend money on it, you do not have to take that inheritance, and you can disclaim it. I would suggest that you talk to an attorney about going. There's a formal process that you need to do that, but you can disclaim any inheritance. Now, if you want to keep it, that's a different story.
Well, it's simple. If you want to keep it, you have to pay for it. So you would have to get in contact with the other property owner that you're in conjunction with, figure out what your obligation is, and make the payments. And then at that point, you would be, satisfying your rights to basically keep that property.
And you'd own the property together.
Correct.
Yeah.
All right, good answer. Let's get to the contact information. If our viewers need your help, guys, how can they reach you?
By phone at 570-714-HURT, or you can see us on the web at 714hurt.com.
Or go to our Facebook page, and if you like us on our Facebook page, you can post a question for The Law and You, and we'll do our best to answer it on an upcoming segment.
All right, attorneys Greg Felleman and Ed Saramboli, results matter. Gentlemen, thanks so much for being here today.
Thanks for having us, Dave.
All right, to get your question on The Law and You, it's very simple. Just go to pahomepage.com.